We want to dedicate this episode to our moms. It's their stories that help us understand nature and what's important, their teachings that help us grow, and their love that makes it all possible.
Hey, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
How you feeling?
I feel great.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Mother's Day to you too,
Thank
sweetie.
you, and happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there.
I am working.
This journey has been more than about getting off grid. It's about restoring the family land
We gonna give him a ticket. Look.
and inspiring others to be more self-sufficient.
Look at what we came back to. It's a huge food forest.
That's always been the ultimate goal of GreenDesert because it's our lifestyle.
So cool.
And this project, it's a prime example of how rewarding the lifestyle can truly be. We couldn't have completed this journey without family and friends, including this woman here, Doris.
Get it then, Mama.
Throughout the episodes, you've seen her popping up.
She is one of the reasons why we're most prepared for things like COVID-19. And the best part about it is that she's my mom.
She's your mommy. And not many of us can say that we get outdone on a daily basis
Daily.
by a 76-year-old woman.
And I had a birthday last month. I turned 76 years old.
I guess she's owed a happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yes,
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Doris, my Doris, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 76 years.
Thank you.
I mean, I know.
76.
What?
I'm so proud to say that.
Yes, yeah. You say it again.
76.
You look good too.
That was the start of her birthday. She also celebrated by doing what she does pretty much every day. Her planks, cardio, she spends hours in the field, she rode Sophia's bike, and of course, walked the family lane.
All right, we go ahead and take in a trough that's been here for, I'm talking about 30, 40 years. Doris, so what does this trough means to you?
Well, this trough means that when I was coming back to the house, you guys was already here. I would see my father and my nephews filling up this trough with feed to feed the cows. And it just means that this is my father's work. This is how he made his living. This is how he fed his family. This is how he maintained self-sufficient.
It's one reason building these container homes have been such an inspiration to the whole family.
I mean, I was raised on a farm where my parents worked hard, so they left a legacy for us. And to me, it means a lot when you can continuously carry the legacy on that your parents leave behind. It's very important.
So she continues this legacy by making her health a priority.
She still teaches dance to family and friends, and I'm going to say it, she pushes harder than the both of us at 76 years old.
Always has.
Everybody pushes harder than Sophia. Anyway, so what? You make it so easy.
Yes.
You're working harder than her.
Yes, I am. I'm a country farm girl.
Sophia. I joke with Sophia a lot about getting reassigned and not working hard, but there actually is a background behind all of the jokes.
One of the things that I picked up late, regardless, was how to eat to live. you know, the struggle is real, and I know a lot of people are struggling with, you know, working, coming home, having to prepare fresh cooked meals.
No
and all-
excuses, Sophia. Stop.
Yeah.
No excuses.
Well, I'm saying the struggle was real, but I got it. Better late than never.
You agree with that? Well, I guess I have to.
Good, because I'm here.
Well, because the hard part about it, the whole thing, and watching, was that this woman here is one of the healthiest people we both know.
Grew up with it.
And that includes the way she eats. So she gave us the basics, the secrets to her success.
Balanced meals consist of your whole grains.
Doris says that can be brown rice, whole grain pasta, even whole wheat bread. Next, you want 2 servings of vegetables, a fruit, and your protein, which in this meal was quinoa. Typically, it's beans for us, but don't forget.
All of your vegetables and fruits have protein in it, whether you know it or not. Some as high as 2 grams per serving, some as low as 1.
It's this lifestyle and mind frame that allows Doris to consistently outwork people more than half her age.
So, Ma, what's the biggest challenge for people making this change?
Well, I would say discipline. You have to be disciplined. And if you're not disciplined, you're going to struggle.
Oh, is that what happened to you?
Yes and no, but yes. I didn't like the way I felt. I didn't have a lot of energy. I didn't like the way I was looking either. I wasn't fitting into my clothes. So 4 months, we went to Texas for 4 months, and we made our plant-based meals, which is what you see here. And everything changed for me. Like, I started getting more energy. When I came back from Texas, I checked my thyroid, and my numbers changed from thyroid to cholesterol.
And you look and feel better.
And I look and feel better. So, I mean, it's no going back for me now.
So when you get discouraged, don't justify your wants. Just remember your goal.
I don't like the kitchen, don't like cooking, but I just keep saying to myself, if I didn't do it, I'm not going to be healthy where I am today. I'm just not going to be that way. So that part is overtaken by me not wanting to do it. I just know that I'm doing it for me. For
Just
yourself.
do it.
Do it. That's it. Just do it.
That's my mama.
You can beat with everything but beans and greens. You can't touch it. Can't touch it.
Can't touch this.
You want to run a test on it? Let's do it. My mother taught me well on them greens and beans, honey. I was brought up well on them.
So consider the benefits, especially at times like these. A healthy lifestyle essentially lowers our chance for disease. It saves money by not having to spend on medication and doctors. You look and feel better. You definitely have more control over your destiny, and in many cases, it's better for our environment.
Eat greens, get sun, stay grounded.
So we all just need to rise above. This song says it all.
Took a walk this morning with so much to do. Turn off the TV cause my mind was too. Many people talking, the other's mind is so confused. We're right or we're wrong, you're right, instead of searching for the truth. It's not the side you live on, it's what's inside your heart. Take the time out to learn me, the only place we can start. Cause hate is hate, but love rises far above. How you judge by the clothes that I wear is what I'm thinking of. I don't know why we don't rise above. I don't know why. That's all I'm thinking of. I don't know why it's so hard to do. I'd like to show you how. It's gonna start with me and you. I got a real feeling about a brand new day. All it feels like times back in '68. Kisses and headlights out here on the streets. And it's not gonna change unless we feel the need. Pain is pain, regardless how you see it through. You can't forget about the next man and only focus on you. No. The easy way instead of walking along. Woo! I don't know why we don't rise above. I don't know why. That's all I'm thinking of. I don't know why it's so hard to do. I'd like to show you how. It's gonna start with me and you. Oh yeah, listen up. These uncertain times, like I said, let's come together, y'all.
Yes.
We down here in the country, with the home front. Your mom and dad's home right here.
Yes. Yes.
Family, we rising together. We rising up.
We are.
So y'all do the same out there. Y'all sing this Salih chord. Rise above, oh we got to, yeah. Rise above, we gotta do it right now. Rise above, oh we got to, yeah. Rise above, rise above, oh we got to, yeah. Rise above, we gotta do it right now. Rise above, oh we got to, yeah. Rise above, let's rise above, y'all.
That's my song.